Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka tanat Ïalehkai jong ka Sarkar Jila kala penong ya ka Meghalaya Sports Conclave ahrajar arpuhendriu haga khandu trik jiliu ahrajar arpuhendriu haga ni kanong ba haga jinglang le donlang menteri ramba ka jila ukandat ki sangma kumu kongsan kumju menteri ka tanat Ïalehkai uba wala miki shila kumu sembut kongsan ringkat ki head officer berkentup nadu chief secretary ka jila Dr. Shakil P Ahmed IAS bat kiwe Hakani singile donlang kinong yalam na Meghalaya State Olympic Association kinomik khmat niki senjuk Ïalehkai kinong Ïalehkai u Dr. Adil Sumariwala Vice President ka World Athletics but ka Dipthi Bopaya Board Member Go Sports Foundation nalor ki weipan ka bakham sngotanat hakani ka program kalong beledon bentalang ru daki Khlur Ïalehkai kari India ki bakentop ya ka Khlur Ïalehkai siat suloi ka Manu Bhaker ka balakhur takma hak Olympic u Abhinav Bindra u belong u Nongseng ya ka Abhinav Bindra Foundation ka Shital Devi ka belong ka Ladu ha ka World Para Archery u Khlur Ïalehkai ka Hockey u PR Sri Jesh u Bedan Bynta ban khur takma ha ka Olympic ka Nong Ïalehkai Athletics ka Hima Das bat ka Layo Pdang ya ka Khusnam Arjuna Kani ka program kalong Bynta ban penkre ka 39 National Games ahrajar arpuhanyo ka banong ha kani ka jila
Indian Bynta and Arjuna Award. We have our very own Bob John F. Harshier, working president MSOA. We have Ms. Dipthi Bopaya, CEO and board member of Go Sports Foundation. We have Sri Amar Shankar, partner Ernst & Young LLP. We have Sri Rajiv Seth, strategic sports leader. And we have Sri Sivananda Mishra, Regional Director, Sports Authority of India. We have Sri PR Sri Jesh, legendary Olympian and Padma Bhushan awardee. We have Sri Harvinder Singh, elite Paralympic gold medalist and Padma Shri awardee. We have Ms. Sheetal Devi, World Para Archery champion and Arjuna awardee. We have Ms. Manu Bhaker, historic Olympic medalist and Arjuna awardee. The spirit for which people do.
When we started our journey with an objective to take our state forward, there were many challenges that were there in front of us. And while we looked at those challenges and difficulties, we also realized that there are opportunities in those challenges. We realized that there were structural challenges and basic aspects of governance, capacity building, a vision, a direction, a goal. And therefore, this entire journey of trying to really restructure and reposition ourselves and take us towards that goal and vision that we had, which we envisioned that it would be in the next maybe 15 years' time, we'll get there. This long journey started for us. And out of the many, many challenges we saw, and the opportunities that came out of those challenges, we realize that the youth of our state is at the center and at the heart of what we want to achieve. And that's how our journey for sports began.
Showcase our Meghalaya hospitality, culture, infrastructure, talent, and aspiration before the entire nation. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, sport has emerged as one of the key pillars of Meghalaya development journey. Over the past few years, we have witnessed unprecedented investment in sport infrastructure, athlete development, grassroots programs, and youth development. Today, Meghalaya is increasingly being recognized as a sporting state with immense potential. The theme of this conclave, Ideas, Innovation and Impact, is especially relevant as we prepare for the national games and chart the future of sports in our state. Throughout today's discussion, we will deliberate on three critical areas. First, sport governance, how we can build policies that are athlete-centric, transparent, accountable, and responsive to the need of modern sport. Second, innovation and digital transformation, how technology, data, analytic, sport science, and public-private partnership can improve performance, infrastructure management, and athlete welfare. Third, holistic athletic development, because champions are not built only through training. They require quality coaching, education, nutrition, mental well-being support, career guidance, and nurturing ecosystem. I am
Kayaking journey began at a young age, around 13, when he spent time watching older kayakers from his village before eventually trying the sports himself. When some of the British kayakers who pioneered kayaking in Meghalaya visited Umtham, a rescue and safety training session was organized for the local youth. Pinchngai was one of the youngest participants. While many of his friends eventually moved on to other things, he kept returning to the river and remained consistent to kayaking. His breakthrough came, ladies and gents, in 2022 when he won a silver medal at the Khlur India Youth Games in Maheshwar, Madhya Pradesh. Since then, he has represented Meghalaya in several competitions and kayaking events across the country. His most notable achievement to date is winning the bronze medal in canoe slalom at the 2024 National Games in Uttarakhand. Currently, he is training to get selected for the upcoming National Games in Meghalaya. To honor this groundbreaking feat and secure his future as a pillar of our sports ecosystem,